Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use GoPro as a webcam. I have GoPro 13 but you can use GoPro 12, 11, 10 and other version as well. So first of all we have to plug data cable at charging port. So how do we open it? Here I have a mobile data cable, so I will use here at charging port. So next I'm going to show you at my computer screen how to setting it up. Okay, thanks. So we will search GoPro webcam on Google. Um, oh, sorry, it's webcam, and we will click on the first link. So there are two options here, one for Mac and one for Windows system. So here you can see Mac system and for Windows. So I am using Windows system and I will be installing a Windows installer. Okay, let me see. Here you can click here. There are two links, one official and one mirror. So I'm clicking official link and we will download the software from here. It's taking a little time. Okay, download. Yes. So our setup is complete and now it's asking for restart. So let's restart it before using. Okay, my system is now restarted and software is installed. So we will click at GoPro icon and it's a refresh and says it's showing my graphics card details here. So let's click OK. Now I am using OBS Studio for recording and streaming purpose. So we will configure it in OBS. So let's see. It's not showing any footage here because my camera is already plugged in laptop. So I need to plug out and plug in again. So it may work. Uh, Give me 1 second. So okay, I just plugged out the lead. Plug out the data cable and plug in again and restarting my camera. So it may work now. Yes, here it is. Okay, you can see now it's m- my footage. GoPro is working as a webcam. So you can adjust the setting as you want. And thank you.